What is up, guys? Today we're going to be restoring my boy Luke's 350Z headlights. Let's get to it. So to restore the headlights, we're using this kit from 3M. It comes with all the sanding pads and some clear coat. So now we're opening the headlight restoration kit because we masked off the whole headlight. I tried to do 2 layers just in case the sanding disc does hit. It won't chip the paint, it'll hit the second layer of masking tape, hopefully. But we're not gonna go that close. So the instructions say to wipe it down with soapy water first and then use the yellow P500 pad. That pad will remove the yellowing layers and defects, such as like pitting. So we're gonna wipe it down and then use that pad. And we're gonna use a house drill. You could use a Dremel, but we're gonna use a drill because we figured that's what everyone has at home. It is looking better, but you can still see the defects if you see it in the sun. They come back too after it dries up. I'm trying not to get the edge wet because I don't want the tape to fail. Now I'm gonna dry it. Now you can see that it's back. Well, I can from my angle. So now I'm gonna use a drill and use that P500 sanding disc. It's a P500 sanding disc. So they gave us 6 of these pads, the P500, and 6 of the P800. So make sure you do roughly 3 per headlight. That's what I'm doing at least. We're officially done with the gold sanding disc. So now we're gonna move on to the P800 white and purple disc. So now that we're done with the P800, the purple and white disc, we're gonna move on to this, which is like almost like a buffing pad. You use it after that step and you want it a little wet. They said to mist it, but I'm just gonna add a little water. And then when it dries, they said to mist it more. So it's like a buffing pad that you always want it wet. So now that that's done, it says to just remove it and then clear coat it. We do notice that the engine bay did get dirty. It does spray a lot, but we do have another video planned where we're gonna clean the engine bay, so we're not worried about that. All right, now we're gonna hit it with the clear coat wipes. It says to use 2, like as a first coat and then a second coat after when the first coat dries in like 10 minutes. So we're gonna do that. You definitely wanna wear gloves for this part because if it does get on your hands, it's almost like super glue where it will stick. Looks good. Okay guys, this is the final result. Drop a like if you like the video and comment if you're gonna do this to your car. See you guys in the next video.